Let's start our game. Let's find Sophia. Sophia. The first word is Sophia. 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 So. We have so here and so here and so here. Oh, so here. Sophia. We got it. Sophia. 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 Nice. And number two is Yirgalem. Yirgalem. Let's find Yirgalem. This is this one. Yirgalem. Yirga Alam. Actually, this is supposed to be Yirga Alam. Yirga Alam. So let's find Yirga Alam. Okay. I'm going to look for Ye. Well, there is Ye here. Yes. Ye a. Yirga Alam. Correct. Yirga Alam. Yirga Alam. Nice. And the next one is Aini Alam. By the way, they all are names, okay? Names of people. Aini Alam. So let's find Aini. First, This is U. This is also U. Is here. Aini Alam. Ain ba. No. Alam. This is Yirga Alam. So I'm looking for This is U. This is also U. Aini Alam. Correct. Exactly correct. So let's complete it. Aini Alam. Ain Alam. So number 4 is Yahdaga. Let's find it. Yahdaga. Okay. Yeah. This is yes, but there's no yeh. No, I need yeh. Like this. Oh, actually, this is the correct one. Yahdaga. We found it. Yahdaga. Correct. Yahdaga. And now we are in Nirayo. So we have to look for N. I am going to look for N. Hey, here. N. No. Nu'u. No. N. Yo. Oh, yes, we found it. Yo. Yes, Nirayo. Good. The next one is Araya. So we have to find the alphabet A. We have to find Araya. No. 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 Araya. R must follow to Araya. No. No. Araya. Araya. No. Araya. This is ya. Araya. I couldn't find it now. Araya. Araya. Aini alam. We did. Where is Araya? Oh, it's here. Araya. Correct. Araya. Araya. Great. And next one is Nabi. Nabi. Nabi, we have to look for ne. Ne. Ne, 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 ne. I have to find Nabi. This is n. N. Ne, 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 ne. I'm looking for ne. Ne, 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 ne. Ne, ne, no, ne. Ne. Yes, here. Ne, ruya. No. Ne, a. Ne, a. Nevi. Oh, yes. Nevi. 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 Last one is Uqbay. 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 Uqbay ما خندلين عاج. Uqbay. Uqbay أبين لها. Uqbay. This is Yes. No. I want the دحر دل له. Yes. Yes, this way. Uqbay. Yes, correct. Uqbay. 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 Exactly. Let's read them all. Nir ayo. This one is Yehdega. And this one is Yirga Alam. Ha. And this one is Araya. Can you see ya? Can you remember ya? Araya. And this one is Uqbay. And this is Sophia. Yes, this is Sophia, and this was Nabi. Nabi. And this one is Aini Alam. Sophia. Yirga Alam. Aini Alam. Yehdega. Nirayo. Araya. Nabi. Uqbay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.